Hello fam! Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Miss A, the Classy Beauty Savvy. And today, pag-uusapan na natin ang mga bagay na shinare ko sa inyo sa aking life update from the previous video. So if you haven't watched that yet, I'll be linking it up in the iCard or down in the description box para makita niyo din kung ano yung mga pinanggagalingan ko ngayon. Anyway, if you're new here, welcome. I am Miss A, the Classy Beauty Savvy. So I hope you can stick around, subscribe, support the channel, and of course, I'll be sharing with you my personal journey, experiences, personal finance, and life, in general. I just want to share with you my journey as a human being. So, ayun. I hope you can stick around and support. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome again. Andito na naman tayo. And I'll be sharing with you my struggles and my difficulties. And hopefully, we can all learn from this. Ayan. So, before we get started, dahil napakasakit nito, very heartbreaking itong isi-share ko sa inyo. Uminom na tayo. Ayan. I think I'm ready. Okay. Ano ba ito? So, 5 years ago, I believe, 5 years ago, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh my God! 6 years ago pala. Hindi siya 5. 6 years ago, I decided to get an SSS loan, salary loan, di ba, nakakabulol. If you have an SSS, pwede kang mag-loan, and if you're working and employed ka, you get to have the salary loan. So, why did I get that in the first place? Hindi ko na rin alam. 6 years ago, ano bang gagawin ko sa perang yun? So, nag-loan ako, okay? In short, I decided to take a salary loan. That's actually my second salary loan. Yung first loan ko, I was able to pay it off. So, wala tayong problema doon. The second loan, however, ay hindi ko na siya na-declare kasi lumipat na ako sa second company ko, which is my current company right now, at hindi ko siya na-declare sa HR na meron akong salary loan. It's my fault. I know bakit hindi ko yung ginawa. And as you can tell, 6 years na ako sa company na yun. At ito na nga, welcome 2022. Our HR manager started messaging me and sending me an email about my loan. And lo and behold, yung mga nasa 28 or 30,000 kung yatang salary loan that time became 65,000.
Go Aryan. Go financial freedom. Let's go.
You can imagine yung kaba ng dibdib ko as I was reading that particular email from HR, and parang nafe-feel ko na, what happened? What have I done wrong? I've been educating people and I've been advocating financial freedom, but here I am having this a huge amount of debt na hindi ko na bayaran ng maayos. So it is a shame. I'm very sorry. It's my downfall actually. Hindi ako happy na i-share to sa inyo at hindi siya nakakatuwa. Pero if ever you're going through the same difficulties, probably same challenges na experience ko or I've been experiencing, I would like to share some tips for you guys. So it's not the end of the world. Yes, you can cry it out dahil nakakapanghinayang ang 65,000, guys. So if you're delinquent like what I've done, medyo malaki yung isa-suffer natin, isa-sacrifice natin eventually down the road. And why is it important for you to pay your SSS loan? Because it's going to be your retirement, diba? Sa government, you'll get to have the pension. Isa yan sa mga sources of your pension or retirement fund. And as a financial agent and financial consultant, I know the importance of having different sources of income, different sources of savings and all that jazz. So I will never ever would want my SSS pension to get, be kaltas or masayang siya just because I am very delinquent with my salary loan. Okay? So, again, if you're experiencing the same thing, please start working on it now. So, I'm very pleased because that time when my HR contacted me about my loan, meron pang condonation program sa SSS. And if you're not aware of the condonation program, it's a program that SSS actually, provides sa mga delinquent. ng mga taong hindi nagbabayad on time. I'm so sorry. So I'm one of those, and I was able to actually, parang ang program na yon is for you to get lower parang payment dun sa mga inutang mo. Babawasan nila yung total amount na dapat mong bayaran. So, dun sa in-apply ko, it's actually the penalties were eradicated or were deleted or deducted dun sa total amount na babayaran ko. So, from 65,000, naging 40 plus thousand na siya. Nag-apply tayo ng condonation program. So, I'm very, very happy na yung 19,000 na na-save ko or nabawas doon is a huge help. So, hindi ko alam kung up until now may condonation program pa rin. Pero, if I'm not mistaken, yung, I believe, June na ngayon, no? May ata yung last na condonation application filing. So, I don't know kung meron na siya ulit ngayon. But please check your SSS accounts para matingnan ninyo if ever meron na kayong, pwede na kayo mag-apply ng condonation program or condonation application sa SSS. And again, aside from that, you also need to log in. Speaking of your SSS accounts, importante din guys na meron kayong SSS Online account. So, this is a very big challenge for me that time kasi hindi ako makalog-in sa online account ko. And ang condonation program, guys, ay ina-apply lang siya online. So, you cannot go to any SSS branch to apply for it manually. Dapat nasa online siya ina-apply. And automatic naman siyang na-approve. You don't need to wait for how many days for you to get approved for the condonation program. That's the beauty of it. So, very helpful talaga siya sa mga nabaon na sa utang, kumbaga. Set up your own My SSS account. So, the problem I had with that is kulang yung letter ng pangalan ko doon sa system, sa online ko. So, because of that, nahirapan ako mag-log in. I tried many times, pero it did not work. I suggest you go to an SSS satellite sa mga malls or sa SSS branch mismo if you would want to. Tapos, from there, you can ask for help regarding your setting up of your SSS account. So, ang nangyari sa akin, dahil kulang ng letter yung name ko, my second name, kulang siya ng isang letter. I needed to update my data with them by submitting a birth certificate. Pero, for the sake of online action or online registration, inalaw muna ako nung mga taga SSS admin to sign in sa aking My SSS account even though kulang pa ng letter N yung second name ko. So, I just need to update that soon enough. Then, sa condonation program, ano bang mangyayari doon? You have to pay 50%. There are few options. Ang natatandaan kong option 1 is to pay it in full. So, kung 43,000 na lang yung natitira, I have to pay it in full if I want to, if the money is available. Or you can have it in installment plan. But the installment should be done this way. You have to pay the 50% part of it muna, 50% down payment, and then the remaining 50% will be in installment plan for 6 months only. So, you have to pay. Bibigyan ka naman nila ng details. It will be sent sa email mo. Kapag nag-apply ka online, you'll see the process there. And you will also see yung PRN. Yun yung kailangan mo to pay. So, nandun na rin siya sa online. So, ayun, 50% down payment muna. Bibigyan ka nila ng due date, when to pay it. My due date was June 12 this month. And you need to pay it few days ahead kasi medyo mabagal yung reflection niya sa online. Although sinasabi na real time, let's just give like a few days ahead na adjustment just in case, diba? Another very convenient way na pala ng pagpipay ng SSS loan ninyo is through GCash. So that's how I paid my loan. So I just needed to get the PRN and the account number, and again, they're all in your My SSS Online account. So, that's my niece, sorry about that. Just make sure lang na ayun nga, yung My SSS Online account niyo, you can access it kasi everything is there. What have I learned from all of these na na-experience ko sa buhay ko. First time ko to, sobrang nakakatakot actually, like what I said kanina, sobrang nakakaba, nakakatakot. Number one that we need to take note of, like my learning, is to really track all of your expenses, your loans. You have to know everything. Para naman, hindi nyo na to ma-overlook, or I mean, I'm talking to myself para hindi ko na siya ma-overlook, and moving forward, this will no longer be a problem at hindi ko na din to ma-encounter ulit ever, because this is a very bad experience, but it's something that I need to learn. God is teaching me a lesson today, so I have to learn from it. I have to move forward, and I have to go through it and succeed, because ako lang naman ang gumawa nito sa sarili ko, so there's no one to blame but me. So, iyon, I have to track my expenses na talaga, and my loans, the payments that I have been doing for it. And I'm so happy meron ng SSS Online that I can also do like a physical check there. If ever I have forgotten to track it on my own, the SSS Online will reflect naman the payments that you have done in the past. So, that's a really big help na hindi na tayo makapag-overlook ng mga loans na ginawa natin with SSS. So, ayun talaga yung biggest learning ko dito. And of course, the beauty of it naman, guys, is I have learned how important investing and emergency funds are. Sobrang helpful nila sa panahon ngayon na I needed it for the payment with my SSS and all that. Kasi, I have actually withdrawn from my investment from Prove Life UK to help pay my SSS loan down payment. So, sobrang laking tulong na my investment is working for me now rather than just, saving it somewhere. The money is now growing. The money that I have invested is now helping me in my life's journey. So, sobrang helpful nun. So, if you guys haven't thought of getting a life insurance with investment, you have to start thinking twice and start inquiring about it. If I can help you, there are a lot of financial consultants out there that can help you. Just get yourself an insurance with investment. It will help you a lot. That's a shameless plug, but it is true. I am an advocate of it because it's really helpful. Hindi lang siya added bill. Don't think about it as an added bill. Think about it like an added savings na tumutubo ng bonggang-bongga. Ayun lang naman. So, I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions na kaya kong sagutin, please send me a comment down in the comment section below, not description. Comment section below, fam. Please let me know what you think about this and share your experiences if you guys have been through the same hell as I have been through. Please watch my other videos as well for you not to miss any, and I'll see you again on my next one. Bye, fam. Thank you.